So today, we're gonna microwave some stuff that shouldn't be microwaved, you know, like batteries, like this Duracell AA battery that might be dead.
What else do we got? A bigger battery.
A bigger battery. This one is a BRC 18650, 3000 mAh, 3.7 volt lithium ion.
Nice.
Bigger than a AA. Then we have a little can of Axe spray. 3 packs of Black Cats firecrackers. A fork. A copy of Forza Horizon 3 for the Xbox One.
Did you not like that game?
No.
No, it sucked?
No, it's old. Light bulb, fluorescent, black light. 2 more light bulbs that are like your average, like you put these in your lights in your like kitchen or your dungeon. And then we're gonna try to microwave this water bottle to see if it'll boil or explode. Hopefully explode.
Hopefully. Alrighty, let's get to shooting. What do you think is the best thing to start? Should we start the battery or like the fork? Should we start small?
Let's go fork.
Fork? Alright, we're gonna go fork first. And we pre-drilled a hole in the back so we can film what's going inside. We gotta, don't ignore our really bad tripod over there. It's definitely not a ladder. Okay, fork first. Nice! Ready? Alright. Why are you standing back? So, we're going at about a minute now, and the fork has not done anything. Alright. Fork did nothing.
Might be hot.
Is it hot? Oh, it is hot. We should grab gloves. Should I go get gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get gloves.
Yeah, the fork's hot.
Get him! Alright, we got some perfectly fine, perfect gloves here. You're gonna have to wear these since I'm holding the phone. I don't know why I put them on. Alrighty, so the next thing we're doing is a AA battery.
Maybe dead, maybe
Maybe
full.
dead, maybe full, we honestly don't know. Stay in the camera view. Why not? You gotta be part of this channel. Oh, it's smoking, dude! Oh god, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. Oh my god!
Why didn't you let it go?
Bro, I'm not gonna let that's gonna ruin the microwave at that point. So we got more stuff. That one was cool. I didn't think it would go like that. That was kind of cool.
The battery caught
Back up a
fire
little bit.
at the bottom there.
It kind of like exploded. It started shooting out plasma. I did not want to keep that going. If the
Motherfucker.
I feel like we should just put the disc in.
We're gonna go for another minute.
Stand by it just in case we need to open it. Oh, it is bending. Oh, bro. It's starting to smoke a little bit. Oh, look at that. It's like sparking. I think we should open it now.
Just let it go.
Oh, that's starting to smell. Take that out, bro. That's gonna melt onto it.
Oh, that smells bad.
And you're like, why?
That smells bad.
That smells terrible.
Stank. Oh.
That is rank. Oh my god. It smells just as bad as the game is played.
Stop. Forza's a good game. This is just old.
It's a good game, but let's burn it. Oh, bro, grab that out.
It's
Oh my
floppy.
god.
Oh.
Oh my god, is it hot?
No, it just smells. No, it is hot. It's hot through the gloves.
Alrighty. What's next? Light bulb?
Yeah, let's do a light bulb. Let's do the black light one.
The black light? Alrighty.
Okay. So next we're gonna do the black light bulb. Yeah.
Oh, she rolling. Oh, it's turning on.
It turned on.
Yeah. Smoke. Bro, it roll. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh, it's smoking a lot. There's some plasma. I'm scared this is gonna fucking blow up, dude. Oh my god, it caught on fire. Open it. Open it. Open it now. Oh my god.
Smells like fireworks.
It does. That one was kind of cool though.
That was kind of cool.
It lit up. Oh no, I'm not gonna do that. Just grab it out.
It's still smoking right there.
Do you even vape, bro? Alrighty, let's choose from our selection.
You want to try another light bulb? Oh, you have the regular ones?
You want to put both of them in there?
We can.
Let's put both of them in at the same time. That'll be pretty cool.
Next, we're going to do the 2 regular light bulbs, like your household light bulbs that you put in your dungeon
Or your household.
or your kitchen.
Start her up. Oh, there goes one. There's both of them.
It's like a
Oh, that's cool. I think that's one of them might have kind of blew. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's still light. Oh my god, that looks so cool.
Good.
Yeah, I think we're good. That one didn't smoke as much. All right, let's see the aftermath. Each one at a time.
This one didn't explode, but it has that on the bottom.
That's from arcing a little bit.
It's hot. At least the metal part is.
Alrighty, this was the one that exploded a little bit more.
Oh. It melted the bottom of it.
Dang. Oh, it just cracked.
Still cracking.
It's still cracking.
It's cooling down and cracking.
That's freaking cool.
It's still
What's it
hotter
look like
than
on the inside?
It's hotter than a mofo. This is all burnt and purple and like it's just hot. It's so hot. Next, we're gonna do a pack of firecrackers. See if they explode.
We're gonna start with one. We got 2 more,
So you're fine.
but let's see what the light bulb's still cracking. We're gonna see if we can hopefully catch an arc on what already burnt on there to hopefully try to light it. And if it starts popping, then I'm honestly gonna take my phone away from it and we'll just inspect from the front window. That light bulb's tough. Doesn't look like anything's happening. Probably shouldn't be on a knee in case it starts exploding. Because I don't think we can get it hot enough to where it would like pop. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Bro, I looked away. I literally looked away for 2 seconds and it went off. I did not think. Oh my god. That literally scared the hell out of me. I bet you could see me jump back on the other camera. Oh my god. That was really unexpected. Did that scare you too?
My poor heart.
My poor heart. Oh my god. I blew the freaking door open, dude. I literally got so scared.
The axe can in there.
That, I really don't think we should put that in here.
Because it's gonna explode.
It's definitely going to, and I really don't know if I want to do that. Get us to 50 likes on this video,
Okay.
and we will put not only that mini one, but if it survives the mini axe can, we'll go up to a big, massive axe can. And we'll put axe against a microwave. How about that? How's that sound?
We can do that. 50 likes.
50
We'll
likes.
do it.
All right. So I think what our only decision now is maybe not do these quite yet.
We
Either
have
the water bottle or this battery.
and battery. I think we should do water bottle next.
Water bottle. Now I have the water bottle in here. Go ahead. Put that on a minute.
Well, if it explodes within 30 seconds, then we're gonna miss
There it goes. You missed it. It sounded like it wasn't too exciting. I mean, we got her to explode with 7 seconds left.
It's gonna be hot water.
All right, we got Big Bertha. That's just a bigger battery.
Wait, honestly, this battery didn't really do anything as expected. Must not have been charged or any juice, but we're just gonna skip past it.
I kind of want to do something else.
I got an idea.
The axe.
Done.
Alrighty, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button. I also want to say thank you so much for the support on the first video. It blew up, not big, but faster than we expected it to. So we just want to say a big thanks to that. And don't forget, smash the like button, because at 50 views, we will be putting axe cans, both a mini one and a big one, inside of a microwave and seeing if we can get those to explode. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.